Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you clicked on this video and you are struggling with discoloration, uneven skin tone, and you want to find a simple, effective, easy routine on how to get an even skin tone, you have come to the right page and you've clicked on the right video because I got you guys. Now, step one starts when we're in the shower. So this will be part of your shower routine. And this is basically my DIY body scrub. Now, when I say my DIY body scrub, like I'm not claiming these ingredients, you guys. I just basically found this on Google and I made a little twist to it. Now, before you guys say to me, like, body scrub, duh, what's this got to do with brightening your skin? The difference between normal body scrubs, like Dove body scrubs that I use, is that this one has turmeric in it, and if you guys didn't know, turmeric is fantastic at brightening your skin. I first used it under my eyes, and as you guys can see, dark circles, where it's really good for brightening the skin, and it works so well in a body scrub because it's basically like a 2-in-1. The turmeric will brighten your skin, and the sugar granules will basically exfoliate your skin so that you get rid of the dead skin cells, and then your skin is nice and smooth. So you got brighter skin and you got smoother skin. So to begin with, you'll need an empty container. So I'm actually using one of my old Dove body scrubs that's just finished. So this is the empty container that I've recycled. So you just need something kind of similar. And then of course you'll need your turmeric. So you can get this from literally any kind of like food shop, I believe. Okay, so depending on the size of your container, you can use teaspoons or tablespoons. So I actually use a tablespoon for this specific mask. However, I would recommend putting 2 teaspoons of the turmeric mask as a guideline, because as you can see here, I've used a tablespoon, but realistically this is probably 1 teaspoonful because it's not all the way to the top, as you guys can see. Okay, so next up you want to add some granulated sugar. This is what's going to give our mask some texture, to get rid of those dead skin cells and to like exfoliate our skin nicely. So you can use brown sugar if you'd like, but I like to use this white granulated sugar. And I'm actually adding 3 tablespoons. You guys saw me add 2 here, but I needed to add some more sugar because it wasn't thick enough for me. So next up for me, I like to add in some rosehip seed oil, but you can add any oil of your choice. I recommend this oil because it also does brighten the skin. So the turmeric and rosehip seed oil combo is just like amazing. And then lastly, you want to add some shower gel. So any shower gel of your choice, the one that you're currently using, you can just add it in. And this is what the mask looks like. So this is the consistency you kind of want to aim for. If you achieve this, then you're good to go. And that is the mask done. That is the first step. So I get in the shower, I give myself a first cleanse, using just like my Dove body wash or something like that, and then I'll go in with my body scrub. I would go in with this probably like 4 times a week if I'm honest with you guys. So then after I use the scrub, I literally just rinse myself off, just go in with my Dove again, just like whatever shower gel you want to use, go in with that just to make sure that you're not yellow because turmeric does stain a little bit, but it doesn't stain your body though. Like for me, it doesn't stain my body. It does stain like my fingers. If anyone does struggle with like getting rid of it on your fingertips and your nails, just use hand sanitizer and literally it gets rid of it, you guys. And that's a tip I learned on TikTok, by the way. Okay, so now you're out the shower, you've packed yourself dry, and step number 2 is basically like one of my favorite steps. You want to go in with the glycolic acid toner. This stuff is fantastic. Do you guys see how much I've used of this product? And what I like to do as well, I like to basically put it in a spray bottle. This just helps me kind of like keep control of where I'm applying the product, and it helps me to waste less than using a cotton pad. I don't know if that makes sense, but with the cotton pad I tend to use more products because I'm making the cotton pad wet to the point where I feel like I'm just wasting. So with this, I just basically spray it onto the area, as you guys can see there, and this basically helps me keep in control. But it's really up to you guys, whatever application you want to use. Sometimes all your skin needs is literally just effective exfoliation, you guys. I use this maybe twice a week. I wouldn't say I use this every single day just because it's very strong. So to those people that have sensitive skin, I would honestly say try use this twice a week. There was a point I was using this 4 times a week, and I was desperate, and it still worked pretty fast. It worked faster actually, but then my skin started to get a little bit red because I think I was irritating myself. So then I've dropped it down to twice a week. So I apply this on my armpits, on my knees, on my elbows. It can go everywhere. You don't want to be exposed to the sun when you use this product. So if you live in a hot country, I would say put this on at nighttime before bed. Is moisturizer. Now moisturizing your skin is going to make all the difference, you guys. So what I would say is look for a very moisturizer. So I use this Rosehip moisturizer, and I think I got this in Boots. Now Boots is available here in England. In the US, I am not too sure where you would find something like this, but this is just an example, you guys. You can use anything. What I would say though is I'm going to give you guys key ingredients to look out for. Look out for glycerin, look out for oils, look for rosehip seed oil. That's the best. Those things will basically restore and trap moisture in your skin. So your skin is basically good to go for the whole entire day. As you just saw on the video there, I did add a few drops of an oil. So this was actually rosehip seed oil, and this one is from The Ordinary. This one is fantastic. This one is actually known to brighten the skin. I use it on my face as well, and it really helps just keep my skin nice and even. It's definitely a nice finishing step, I would say, to your body care routine. Ever since I have started using this, you guys, it's just helped me to maintain my skin tone. And I think it's so important to maintain your even skin. So get yourself some rosehip oil because you can use this every single day. And there you have it, you guys. That is my 4-step routine for my body when I'm struggling with discoloration, and I basically want to get rid of that discoloration fast. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in my comment section. But I hope I've answered everything for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you guys so much as well for my 100k. Like, I'm very excited. So I'm just so grateful, you guys. Have a good evening, and I'll catch you on my next video.